Welcome back to BioSpeaks. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most fascinating structures of the human body, the skeletal system. This framework does more than just hold us together. It provides protection, support, and the ability to move. So let's get started. Our bodies are home to a complex skeletal system made up of bones, ligaments, and tendons, working together to give us shape and mobility. But did you know that when babies are born, they have around 270 bones, and by the time we reach adulthood, that number reduces to 206? Fascinating, right? The skeletal system is divided into two major sections, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton forms the central axis of the body, including the skull, spine, and ribcage, all of which protect our vital organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. Let's start with the skull, which encases and protects the brain. It's made up of 22 bones, divided into two groups, the cranium and the facial bones. Each bone serves a vital purpose in shielding the brain and supporting sensory structures like the eyes and ears. Next is the vertebral column, also known as the spine. This flexible column of bones supports our body and protects the spinal cord. Made up of 24 individual vertebrae, the spine allows us to bend and twist, making it crucial for mobility. The rib cage, formed by 12 pairs of ribs, connects to the spine and sternum, creating a protective barrier around the lungs, heart, and other organs in the chest. It's like the armor of our body. Now, let's explore the appendicular skeleton, which consists of the limbs and the girdles that attach them to the axial skeleton. It's all about movement here. Our arms, legs, shoulders, and hips allow us to interact with the world around us. Starting with the shoulder girdle, it connects the arms to the axial skeleton, made up of the clavicle and scapula. These bones provide stability while allowing us a wide range of motion. The arms themselves include the humerus, radius, and ulna, along with the carpal, metacarpal, and phalange bones in the hands, giving us the dexterity to perform intricate tasks. The pelvic girdle, or hip girdle, connects the legs to the axial skeleton. It's made of fused bones, the ilium, ischium, and pubis, which support the body's weight and allow us to stand and move. In the legs, we have the femur, tibia, and fibula. The femur is the longest and strongest bone, and together with the patella, our kneecap, these bones enable walking, running, and jumping. Our feet are complex structures too. The tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges make up the foot and toes, providing balance, stability, and support for weight distribution during movement. And that's a wrap on the human skeletal system. Remember, this system does more than just provide a framework. It's essential for protection, support, and movement, making it one of the most important systems in the body.